yellow, so it's got to that point of quarantine. My hair is so greasy. But yeah, here we go. So I've got one lot of bleach on, my non-roots. I'm completely out, so I'm gonna mix up to the second batch. Luckily I managed to get 2 packs, but if this goes wrong, I don't have any more bleach, and it's so hard to get hold of anything at the moment. Yeah, so I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. I managed to get covered in it. I'm obviously not a professional, if you couldn't tell by now. But it's definitely is a bit lighter. I did do a little test strand, but I only, can you see it? Oh. It did go orange, but I only left it on for like half an hour, and yeah, I didn't care that much. I just wanted to see like if my hair was gonna fall out. It seems pretty sturdy, I guess, because before I had bleach blonde hair when I was like 16, and oh my god, I had the spaghetti hair. And I had like a fringe, but I never cut fringe, it just fell out. So I really don't want stringy hair that is just gonna break off when it's wet, because I cannot be dealing with that. But I just want cute hair, and I feel as if it's time. And I've already done a big change in my hair. Oh yeah, I haven't even updated, well, I haven't posted a video in so long, but yeah, I cut off like that much hair, I think, maybe that. And yeah, it's short, and now it's gonna be pink and purple. Well, I've got my second batch. It literally looks like pancake batter, if anyone cares. Alright, here we go. Oh god, this is gonna be so patchy. Right, so in theory my hair should be covered and so is my face, but right, I'm going to clean up and then maybe attempt to fashion some sort of headpiece out of tinfoil, and I'll be back. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god, my hair is so hot. Oh. So, quite a large portion of my hair is pretty light, but this, I don't know. I'm gonna leave it on for like 5 more minutes and see how we go. Right, so I'm in here because the fan is going off and it's annoying, and also neighbours. So this is the current situation. Very light on top, quite orange, but it's a massive improvement from the last time I did it, which was, you know, the MySpace days back in probably 2006 or 7 maybe. I dyed my hair and it turned out red, and about 3 bleaches in, this was the colour I got, so that's pretty good going. I mean, a lot's changed since then. I can do a hell of a lot more research, and hopefully to tame this orange, sort it out slightly, I have this mask that I got on Amazon. Vanilla. So hopefully this is gonna try and save it a bit. Can you tell I had some caffeine? Oh god. Right, this is gonna make an absolute mess, and my camera battery is flashing, so pray. Oof. Oh, it smells weird. It smells, it's not bad, it just smells like, you know, hippie shop, like with incense sticks everywhere. It smells like that. Oh, that looks like it's gonna go green. I don't know if that's possible, but who knows. I'm just pretending I know what I'm doing. I don't have a clue. Oh no, we got a little bit of hair loss here. It's gonna happen, I guess. Right, now to clean up yet again. Oh lord. Not even sure if that did anything, but might go again. I don't know if it's gonna do anything. Like, the reviews were quite good on this, but I don't know if it's product or my hair. Probably my hair. So it's still a bit orange, and well, it definitely looks more yellow on camera as well, and hopefully we're going to cover it up with all this. So I've got Mystic Purple and Magenta Dream by Colour Freedom. They do sell these on the Superdrug website, but they were completely sold out. Like, it took me about 3 weeks to get the bleach, hair dye, toner, bowl, everything. Yeah. Quarantine problems. This is the pink. I've added in a load of the Garnier Hair Food mask, so hopefully that will do good things for my hair. I mean, honestly, it's not really damaged. I'm very surprised and pleased with that. I'm pleased my hair didn't fall out, and I could actually brush it when it was wet, which is something that I don't like to do anyway, but how to do? Right, so I've got my sister to part my hair, and now, oh, what side am I gonna go pink? I don't know, I'm gravitating towards this side pink. Hopefully I've got enough hair dye for that. Oh, I just remembered. I need to prep my skin because this is going to stain the fuck out of it. It's a lip balm, but I think it does the same thing. Oh, my skin is probably already hating me for the amount of times I've washed it. Now I can't tell what's hair dye and what's lip balm. Right, now we're lubed up. So side one is done. And I don't know if it's gonna take at all. I kind of don't think it will, if I'm honest with you. I do actually have like really old Manic Panic and Directions hair dyes, I think, in purple and pink that I got absolute years ago. So if this don't work, I might whack that on top or just dye again. Why not? Or if it really doesn't work, then I'll have to lighten my hair some more. Purple. Here we go. Alright, let's hope this works. Yellow. So it is the next day. I was so drained. Oh my god, it was a long day. And this is the outcome. So we've got 50 shades of purple over here, 50 shades of pink, and a bit of peach going on. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess, but it could be a lot worse, let's say that. It definitely took really well to some areas. God. And and not quite so much to others. This side is definitely more patchy than the other side. I guess it's because this is darker. I don't know, so it doesn't look as faded and meh, but yeah. It could have been a hell of a lot worse. So the bleach I use, I can't even remember if I showed it to you, but it's the Bleach London Total Bleach kit and Salon Standard Bleach apparently. I mean, it's not bad. I was pretty impressed with it. It did really lighten like my roots up here, but it didn't lighten all of it. But I guess most people with my hair colour before like probably would have used like a 40 volume. As far as I'm aware, this is a 30 volume, and I have ordered some more bleach with a 20% volume developer on it, so hopefully that will be enough to get rid of the yellow oranginess and not completely destroy my hair, hopefully. Please let me know what you think. Like, is it a flop? Is it a hit? I'm not even sure. It could have been a lot worse, but it could have been better. So I'm kind of undecided on how tragic it is. Anyway, I hope you're all keeping safe and mentally well in this time, which I personally think is more important, because what's the point of being physically well if you're not mentally well, like, in my opinion. But that's coming from past experiences. Yeah, make sure you be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and continue your YouTube binge. Bye!